Secure supply of raw materials and critical raw materials is key for the rollout of clean technologies and digital applications. The Green Deal builds on environmental objectives as well as an inclusive and just economy. You hear the words just transition in many of the Commission's deliverables in this regard for the last year or two. And a more circular economy would create additional local jobs in all EU member states. And it's expected that it could go to 11 million jobs in downstream manufacturing sectors, depending on the secure supply of raw materials. We need to dialogue with the public on the conditions at which sustainable raw materials extraction, processing, and recycling takes place in Europe. This is important to increase awareness and knowledge about their importance for the green and digital transition.
There is no Green Deal without raw materials, and if we look forward about the mega trends that we have, about the dynamics of the demand patterns, if we see how much energy is going to be projected going forward and how many raw materials this is pulling, it becomes pretty evident. So clean technologies require radical innovation and digitalization along the entire value chain. With these actions and with the investments to make them real, European strategic autonomy and key EU industrial ecosystems will be strengthened.
I like the term. It's sustainable mining, because you have to fight for this term. This is what I learned during the debate I was having until now. And I think the biggest challenge, with regard to the political sphere, is to combine industrial and climate policy.
These all batteries had to be procured somewhere, and we are actually facing a situation where we might have a crunch undermining our zero emissions ambitions as soon as 2023 or 2025. And who knows, now with supply chains it might happen actually tomorrow.
We would like to see a pipeline of projects demonstrating all our unique selling points, our standards, our experience, our technological advantage, our human endowment.
What's really important in our work with Euromines from IndustriAll's perspective is that this is a common agenda, employer and union. It's a positive agenda, and it's a story about how we ensure that we have a proper, realistic discussion about what delivering the Green Deal means.